How do mountains cause rain shadows? Have you ever wondered why some areas are lush and green while others are dry and barren, even when they are close to each other? The answer lies in the fascinating relationship between mountains and rain shadows. Let's break down how this works in a way that's easy to understand. Mountains are more than just beautiful landscapes. They play a vital role in shaping the climate of the regions around them. A rain shadow is an area that receives significantly less rainfall than the windward side of a mountain range. This happens because of how mountains interact with moist air. First, let's talk about moisture transport. When winds blow across large bodies of water, like oceans or lakes, they pick up moisture. This moist air is then carried toward mountain ranges. As this air approaches the mountains, it is rich in water vapor, ready to release as rain. Next comes orographic lifting. When the moist air hits the mountains, it is forced to rise. As it ascends, the air cools down because the atmospheric pressure decreases with height. This cooling causes the water vapor to condense, forming clouds and eventually leading to precipitation on the windward side of the mountain. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most of the moisture in the air is released as rain on the windward side. By the time the air reaches the top of the mountain, it is significantly drier. When this dry air descends on the leeward side, it warms up due to compression. This warming reduces the air's ability to hold moisture, resulting in little to no precipitation. This process creates a stark contrast between the two sides of the mountain. The windward side is often lush and green, while the leeward side can be arid and dry. Understanding rain shadows is not just a matter of geography, it has real-world implications. For instance, in agriculture, regions in rain shadows may require irrigation systems to support farming. Politicians and planners must consider these factors when developing water supply systems to ensure that local communities have enough resources. Moreover, the differences in climate can also affect environmental conservation efforts. Protecting both the wet and dry ecosystems is essential for maintaining biodiversity. In the context of planetary atmosphere chemistry and atmospheric circulation, recognizing how mountains influence local climates helps policymakers address climate change. By understanding these dynamics, they can better manage resources and support sustainable development in affected regions. So, the next time you admire a mountain range, remember that it is not just a beautiful sight. It is a powerful force that shapes the weather and climate of the surrounding areas, creating unique environments and challenges for those who live nearby.